Let's see what is meant by friction. The definition of friction is if two bodies are in contact with each other and one of the body moves over the other, the resistance to the motion is generated. This resistance to the motion is called as frictional resistance. For example, two bodies are in contact with each other. If the body moves upward side, then some friction is generated between that surface and that object, which is called friction. So next is coefficient of friction. It is defined as the ratio of limiting friction to the normal reaction. It is denoted by mu symbol. Mu is equal to F upon R, where F is limiting friction and R is normal reaction. So let's see the problem on the friction of the horizontal rough surface. So question is a body of weight 600 Newton is resting on a rough horizontal plane, can be moved by a force of 150 Newton applied at an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. Find coefficient of friction and normal reaction. So we have the one object which is placed on the horizontal rough surface, and we have the given the weight of that particular object which is 600 Newton, and we have also the applied force which is 150 Newton. Let's take the diagram of that, which is the object is resting on the rough horizontal surface. The weight of this object is acting vertically downward, and by the Newton's third law, we can say that the every action have equal and opposite reaction. So upward direction we take the normal reaction. So here it gives the applied force which is 150 Newton. Here it did not mention the any direction, so we take the applied force at right hand side at an angle of 30 degree. Means our applied force is inclined. So we have to resolve these forces. Horizontal resolve is 150 cos 30, which is 150 is our applied force and 30 is our degree, and vertical resolving is 150 sin 30, and our surface is moving towards right hand side, so friction is generated towards left side. So let's see what is our coefficient of friction and normal reaction. So first let's write the given terms. Given W means weight which is 600 Newton, P means applied force which is 150 Newton, and theta which is the angle between the horizontal surface and inclined plane which is 30 degree. What we have to find? We have to find coefficient of friction which is mu and normal reaction which is Rn question mark. So let's first resolve all forces vertically. Resolving all forces vertically. So vertically means we have to take vertical reaction which is Rn. Sign convention is upward side positive and downward side negative. So Rn is upward side, so Rn become positive. Minus W is downward side, so it is negative. 150 sin 30, it is also upward side, so it is also positive. 150 sin 30 is equal to 0. Also apply the condition of equilibrium. Condition of equilibrium which is summation Fy is equal to 0. So what is our W value which is 600? Rn minus 600 plus 150 sine of 30 which is equal to 0. So Rn minus 525. The value of minus 600 plus 150 sine 30 is minus 525 which is equal to 0. So let's take this value at right hand side. So Rn is equal to 525. The value of Rn becomes 525 Newton. The first value we have to find of normal reaction is just proved. So resolving next step is resolving all forces horizontally. Apply condition of equilibrium. Remember, whenever we have to solve the example of friction, then we have to take the condition of equilibrium, which is summation fx0 fy0. So for a horizontal plane, sign convention, that is left side negative and right side positive. So resolve the all forces horizontally. So we have here two reactions, which is friction reaction and 150 cos 30. So friction reaction is at left side, so it will have to negative, and 150 cos 30 is at right side, so we have to take positive 150 cos 30, which is equal to 0. So let's take minus f is equal to right hand side, so 150 cos of 30, which is equal to f. So f is equal to 129.90 Newton. So f value is 129.90 Newton. So second value we have to find is coefficient of friction. So formula of coefficient of friction is, we know the formula of coefficient of friction, which is denoted by mu, which is equal to f upon Rn, which is equal to f value is 129.90 divided by what is our normal reaction value, which is 525. So write normal reaction value 525. The dividation of this will become mu is equals to 0.2474 degree. It is our coefficient of friction. So in this question we have to find the coefficient of friction and normal reaction, which we have to solve that. Normal reaction is 525 Newton and the coefficient of friction is 0.2474.